I don't know what dream you hold dear, but pursue it. No matter how disheartening, your dream is possible.
In pursuit of your dreams, you'll face disappointment, failure, and pain. These moments can feel overwhelming. There will be moments of self-doubt where you question, why is this happening to me? It's natural to feel lost. But remember, these challenges can also be opportunities for growth and resilience.
Greatness is not an elusive quality. It exists within all of us. Believe that you are capable.
Fear of failure and success often hold people back from their true potential. They try to be liked by others, losing sight of their uniqueness. Spend time alone, remove negative influences, and focus on personal growth to achieve your dreams.
If you want more success and to achieve things you've never done before, start by investing in yourself.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It's filled with storms. It's tough and unforgiving, but every fall is an opportunity to rise again, stronger.
Pain is temporary. It may last a minute, an hour, or a day, but eventually it will subside. If you quit, however, the pain lasts forever.
You have a dream, protect it. People who can't do it will tell you that you can't.
Believe something different can happen. Those who say they can and those who say they can't are both right.
Our deepest fear is not inadequacy. It is our light, not our darkness, that frightens us.
Make a choice. Decide what it's going to be, who you'll be, and how you'll do it.
It's not about how hard you hit, but how you keep going.
He would come to the gym, and if he didn't get a ride there, he would run every time.
It's just the beginning.
Whether you believe it or not.
The second rule is to embrace faith wholeheartedly.
I want you to fail forward.
You can't accomplish anything without faith.
Nevertheless, faith without good work is dead and amounts to nothing. So work not just hard, but smart. As you dream of a beautiful world ahead of you, remember that your potential is limitless. Each step brings you closer to your dreams. Keep pushing forward and never give up. Success is within your reach. Perseverance is all you need. Be unrepentantly consistent together. We'll pursue greatness. As you continue on your journey, embrace every challenge as an opportunity to grow. Your dreams are worth fighting for, and with perseverance, you will achieve greatness. Each obstacle is a stepping stone, pushing you closer to your goals. When you face adversity, see it as a chance to become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Your path may not always be easy, but through trials you discover your true potential. Keep moving forward and cherish every moment of growth. Together we are unstoppable. Dream big, be focused, stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep striving for your dreams. The future is yours to create. Every step you take shapes the path ahead. Trust in your journey. Let your passion drive you. The power to create a remarkable future lies within you. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch the world unfold. Keep pushing forward, write it boldly and beautifully. Until next time, stay driven and keep dreaming big.